Okay, so today we're going to be working on how to solve the greatest common factor. So what we're going to do is we're going to work with two numbers today, and those two numbers are going to be 126 and 144. Now first things first is we need to find our prime factors of these two numbers. So let's go ahead and do a quick little factor tree here. So we're going to break this up. This is going to be 2 times 63. Carry our 2 down. This is going to be 9 times 6. My apologies. 9 times 7. This is going to be 3 times 3. So we know we can put it over here on the side. At 126, we're going to have 2 times 3 times 3 times 7, which we can also write as 2 times 3 squared times 7. Okay, so the next thing here, we're going to do another quick factor tree here. Now I know that 144 is 12 times 12, and 12 is going to break up into 3 and 4, and respectively over here, 3 and 4. Now we're going to break up these 4s into 2s, make everything all nice. And that means that our prime factors for 144 are going to be, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 2s, so it'll be 2 to the 4, and 1, 2 3s times 3 to the 2. So what we're going to do here with our two numbers written out as a product of prime factors is we are going to find the smallest of the numbers that we can work with that are shared between the two. So we can see here that in both cases, we'll change colors here, in both cases we have a 2 here and there's a 2 here. Now we have to remember that there's a 1 implied, and so 2 to the 1 is smaller than 2 to the 4. So we're going to bring that 2 all the way down here. So this is going to be 2 to the 1. Now we're going to look for our next common thing we have between these two numbers, which is 3 squared. Now that's already the smallest thing, so we're going to go ahead and bring down that 3 squared. Now what we're going to do next is pretty slick. We're just going to solve this. So 2 to the 1 is going to be 2 times 3 to the 2, which is going to be 9. Now 2 times 9 is equal to 18. So that means that our greatest common factor, or our GCF for short, between 126 and 144 is in fact 18. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps.